po niya nawala
Saan mo ito kinuha?
Doon sa barracks.
Barracks?
Mga ano yan, Boonies.
Anong lahi na ito?
Ay baka...
Mukha naman siyang golden retriever.
Hindi, mukhang ano siya.
Tinaihan ako. What the heck?
Totoo?
Hindi pala. Nanginginig siya sobra.
Oo, nanginginig siya.
Kasama ko to hanggang sa kama.
Ah, baby.
Walang kulungan to, walang tali. Walang kahit ano. Kaya basta na Firi.
Hey.
Kala ko nagsalita.
Hey.
Lalaking lalaki, boy. Malaki. Malaki.
He's so sleeping so peacefully. Yan, napaka-cute. Ang liit-liit ng kahon niya. Mukhang hindi siya iiyak. Here he is. Yan, ang tukin eh, oh. Nilipat namin sa kahon. Ayan, tutulog na naman siya. Kaya ang taba niya eh.
Makakatulog ba yun ng patay ilaw?
Siyempre,
Palagyan ko ng konting ilaw.
walang ilaw.
Wala?
You guys have a bag with you guys?
Yes. This is for Coco. Yay! We have a super duper stuff. This is not Coco. But we have here the feeding bowl. Feeding bowls.
What the heck?
The cutie pie. Stout toys. And the bone. Oh. We have dog shampoo. And the super chewer.
Thank you, Angel.
Super. And the trainer ball. Squeak, squeak.
May ano to?
Oh, ganun talaga. And we have the urine destroyer. Yun.
Okay, this one doesn't have a price.
And we have a plate here.
Oo natin, nag-usap mo.
Okay, yeah, a super duper puppy. Pedigree chicken with rice. And for treats, we have the super duper milk bone treats biscuits.
So may milk tayo, may choco.
Coco loves me already. Yay! Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Oh. Hello, super friends, super senior here, and meet Coco. This is our super duper dog. Hey, we have a dog now. We have a puppy. So we bought a lot of stuff today for the baby.
First.
His birthday is July 29. Ayan! Yay! Ang liit! So we bought a super duper. Ayun, nakita yung kalat natin sa bahay. Wire crate. Crate for the baby. Ayun, pinabayaan mo sana siya umanda.
Ayaw niya.
Ay, ako naman. Mamaya kukuhanin yan. Alrighty. Hey, Coco, how are you? And we have a pet bowl mat. Philip.
Nandun pa, wait, ito muna.
Ito ang ating
Kami po!
bowl for food and water.
Abot niya ba?
Siyempre.
Abot na abot. Ay, naman ako. Pretty. Ah.
We have this toy for him. Okay. And the balls. Squeaky balls. Yay! And we have our super toy. Wow!
Super cute.
Alrighty. We have some dog chews. Beef and collagen recipe. Dog juice. Yay! Yan. course, we bought some shampoo, mint and green tea. And I also bought some of the urine destroyer. So, sterilized cleaning power. Hey! And the dog food. Yay! Baby! For puppies.
Hey. Super milky.
And the milk. Di pa niya alam yan. And some bones. Aww.
Ito pa. Ay, ito.
We have some milk bone treats.
Try natin pakinisin natin.
And of course, the training pads.
Furi. Ah. Namin niya agad, oh.
Kailangan bibigyan mo lang siya ng treat kapag pag may ginawa siya good.
Papatigay ko nga sana, syempre.
Yan. For titi nga yan eh.
Ah.
Alrighty, we're gonna feed the baby
May Bear Brand.
with a super duper puppy milk. Lactose free. Konti lang.
Okay na to.
Yan. Okay. Hey, baby!
Hey. Hey. Milky milk. Milky milk.
Bubuhatin mo siya.
Bubuhatin ko? Okay.
Hindi ganyan. Hindi mo papahigain.
Ay, hindi ba?
Ganyan lang.
Milk.
Yan.
Ayaw mo ng milk?
Okay. So we adopted the baby, and he was at the barrack. And he's a Boonie. So Boonie of Guam. I have to take care of him. Yan.
Kamay ko na din.
So he doesn't want to be
Baby.
drinking from the bottle. So he likes it. Yay!
Kinabahan ako, kala ko ayaw niya.
He likes the puppy milk.
He thirsty though.
So these are everything we bought. Yan. Ay mali. Ano ba ginawa ko din nakaganto? Yan. Everything we bought for Coco. Yan. So happy. Meron pa tayong... Uy.
Tagal mo daw kasi.
Yan na siya na. Higa na siya.
Ano ba to?
Go on.
Ah,
Kakagatin na naman ito to.
Ako na yung scaling, mami.
Yeah? Di ba pala naka-on? Give a dog a bone.
Kakatin mo na.
Hindi niya makakagat dyan, no? So, this is the crate. It's quite big.
Okay na, okay.
Why? Coco, why are you crying? Why? Why? Why are you crying? Why? Alrighty, Coco, here we go. This is our baby Coco. So that's all for today, folks. We welcome Coco in our family. Yay! And then we bought him some stuff.
Ito,
Super.
button.
Yan.
Gotta do this.
So, bye-bye, super friends. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bakit ba?
Peace and love. Bye-bye.